initially started a small janitorial supplies business in Caledonian Road in 1991, I believe.
Okay.
So the business is almost 30 years old.
Hmm.
And we've gone along quite nicely, sort of growing most years, year on year, building into a reasonable sized business. But there was no real focus to the business at all, I always felt, and it wasn't exactly inspiring. But I think what happened for me is I saw the David Attenborough series Blue Planet, and that really struck a chord with me. I was just incredulous at what I'd seen, and kind of felt I need to do something about this. I need to be passionate about something in my business. And I decided that I would try to convert all my customers from buying petrochemical-based products, which I've been selling for the last 27 years or whatever.
Yeah.
Try to get them into environmentally friendly products. My big fear was that there was an awful lot of greenwashing at that time. People were claiming to have products that really weren't good for the environment.
Yeah.
I came across an old friend of mine, a guy called Michel de Bruyn, who's a Dutch guy that I'd known for, I don't know, 25 years through family connections. And he'd always been into the environmental side of things. I think they pioneered microfiber cloths in Europe, sort of 20 odd years ago. And we were chatting, I think it was probably at one of the Amsterdam cleaning shows. And he said, look, we've got this whole new thing now. We are pushing this cradle to cradle accreditation, which is something I'd never heard of before. And I thought, my God, this is actually gives the whole thing some credibility. Because the cradle to cradle concept was built on 5 pillars. And it wasn't just about the environment. It was about the way you treat your staff. It was about water conservation. And the more I learned about it, I thought, I could take my business off in a whole new direction. And I could actually have a purpose in my life